Home Remedies presents
Japanese Secret, a mask that whitens the skin and wrinkles won't stand a chance. This mask is very popular because it gives amazing results. For many years, this was a secret for many, and now this rice mask is used by everyone who wants to rejuvenate, whiten, and generally improve the condition of their skin. Try this magical recipe and tell me in the comments how satisfied you are with the results. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of rice, 200 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Directions: pour 2 tablespoons of rice and add 200 ml of water in it. Cook it well and stir occasionally. When little water remains, put the ingredients in a blender and blend to paste. If water is less, you can add a bit more water to make a smooth paste. Creamy texture. Strain this mixture through a strainer in a bowl so that no lumps remain. Add 2 tablespoons of milk in it and a tablespoon of olive oil. Mix thoroughly. Your mask is ready to use. The mask can stay in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Apply it several times a week for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.